Today we're gonna play these speakers from the cheap amplifier, and we'll see how's the sound quality. Listen to the sound details. That's the guy standing next to you. Hey guys, Mike is back with another episode. Today it's gonna be something different than the car audio. Now we're gonna switch to home audio because I have tons of toys in my house. I can show you and we can share the experience together, right? Just recently I unboxed a cheap amplifier. On this video we're gonna play the two high-end, how's it called? For some people it's gonna be the expensive speakers. Some people it's gonna be the cheap speakers. This is the Bowers Wilkins bookshelf speakers, 606 models. I bought these speakers back in the day when they came up the first. So yesterday I made the video unboxing like cheap $80 Chinese amplifier, and this video it's gonna be, can you get the good sound quality without spending tons of money, right? My channel all about that. So without spending a lot of money, we can try to get the nice quality sound, and we always doing all kind of comparison, experiment, all that stuff. Today we're gonna play these speakers from the cheap amplifier, and we'll see how's the sound quality. You guys like this one is better, right? Bowers and Wilkins. So the back in the days, I don't remember, like 3-4 years ago maybe, I bought these speakers when they came up. These guys was $1,200. It is the only speakers and only item I bought in the burst purchase. It means you like it, but you buy it. That's it. Doesn't matter how much the price. So they cut me $100 off. So it cost me $1,100. I didn't pay tax, so it was a straight $1,100. I bought the speakers. Am I regret of my purchase? The one side is yes, one side is no, because there is no other speakers sound quality in $1,000 range sounding better than these speakers, right? These speakers is like amazing sounding speaker. But comparing with my tower speakers, which is I'm gonna do the next videos very soon. I'm gonna show you how these all the speakers they sound, all that stuff. These guys it sounds so. I spoke all the times the audiophile guys, like they trying to get all the amplifiers, expensive stuffs to get the best sound quality, but always I'm fighting with them. You can get, if you know, frequency response of your speaker, power handling, deepness of the speaker, brightness of the tweeters, and set up the amplifier. If you equalize, if you tune that, you can get really good sound quality for quarter of the price, whatever the audiophiles they're spending. Now not quarters, tens of that you can say saves tons of money, right? So let's do it. I checked my other videos as unbox video. I was running from this tiny monster 12-inch subwoofer. It was a very crazy, fun video, right? We run from our phone, of course. A FLAC format is lossless sound. So, and we're gonna see how the sound quality will be. The microphone is here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna tune. No, I will go the other side. Take these guys out. So let's quick tune about these Bowers and Wilkins. The speaker 6.5 drivers, amazing tweeters from the Bowers and Wilkins. These tweeters, it plays up to 33,000 hertz. It means like a crazy high playing, but we don't hear them. We hear only the 18,000 or 20,000 hertz max. But these tweeters will play up to 33,000 hertz. So the woofers, they tune it up to 40 hertz. So they're really nice and how's it called, a deep bass playing. So let's play from our collection lossless music. So we're gonna cut all these bass and tweeters. %50 volume, and watch, I'm adding the tweeters. 50%. This is brilliant. Now I'm adding this to the bass. Woo! That's deep and nice bass here. That's crazy. And tweeters.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time that you wanna fight. Halfway out of the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, staying in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd and I think without eyes. Her, she's perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, never thought I would see you this simple. Hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything.
I was running these speakers from my Macintosh amplifier, which is I sold the Macintosh amplifier I was using. I was kind of audiophile guy, like mostly the people does. Back in the days, I was selling all high-end speakers, the amplifiers, Macintosh, and so many brand names. They will give really good cut, and I was installing them. I was doing all kind of demos, and I know what is a high-end sound system it sounds like, right? That's why I can listen to speakers with eyes closed, and I know this is the KIF playing, this is a JBL playing, this is the Klipsch playing, this is the Bowers Wilkins playing, like all the names of whatever you imagine. I can able to find which speaker is the playing that kind. That's why I'm saying all the time to my guys, don't try to get spending a lot of money to get the good sound quality, but just make your research and know how's the speaker frequency and the response and the amplifier together, how we'll play it together. Of course, I'm gonna connect these speakers on my Denon, and the next it's gonna be higher end the amplifiers. We're gonna record a lot of the interesting sound demos here, and I'm gonna give you the proof for half or quarter of the money, whatever is audiophile guys trying to sell it to you or trying to advertising on the YouTube. I see so many videos, guys. They reviewing that's kind of all kind of speakers, and they say this is the amazing sounding speakers. But when you know what kind of drivers they install on that speaker, let's say what talking about, they can say these speakers, this kind of speakers that sounds, whatever they reviewing, sounds garbage because they bought or they get that for free. So if they advertise it and they sell it, they're gonna get chunked. So this is obvious, right? This is the life. But all the time I do the reviews, I'm buying all my stuff with my cash, and that's why I'm saying the guys, stay away from this product. This is not worth it. Buy except this. So I have a next video, it's coming. I have a KIF speakers, like a small built-in amplifier, audiophile level speakers. We will compare it with these guys. These guys also now is around $900 per pair. This is just a bookshelf speakers. You see the no amplifier inside. This is a passive, just a speakers. You buy a box, 2 drivers, and that's it. You're paying $1,000. But Bowers and Wilkins, I did another video how I build my tower speakers. I was buying this, the bigger tower version is like a 2,500 each, and I decided to just build my own towers, right? Then spending like $10,000 for that, the speakers, all that stuff. And you're gonna be surprised, I'm running all these huge speakers from the Denon because I know I build speakers around the Denon amplifier. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of interesting videos. Also, I'm gonna do comparison, fiber optic, HDMI sound quality, right? Or you can get just a Bluetooth 5.0. So can you hear the difference? Of course you can't, but maybe you're gonna say the difference. Let's see. What is the best way to demo it? Tweeters on these speakers are amazing, but too expensive. So here's the deal, guys. If you know your stuff, how to tune, how to adjust all that stuff, of course, if you run these guys through the DSP, if you add the Dayton Audio, they have a really good DSPs, and add the DSP and calibrate your room, it's going to be, of course, a lot nicer sound. But as you can see, these speakers are really good. Can you build something like this? Of course, you can build it, but it's going to be hard. You have to know how to build the crossover, the inside the speakers and the tuning. Can I say it's like the best $1,000 speakers? $900 now. $900 bookshelf speakers. For this price, you can't find any other speakers sounding better than this. Of course, the SVS audios there, like Takedown audios, tons of the new companies is coming. But when you put this side by side, you're gonna be impressed how these speakers they are. I was in the show comparing every single bookshelf speakers, and I was impressed how these speakers throwing the sound, so much natural sound, so much bright, clean, detailed sound. That's why I just go ahead and bought these speakers. Am I regret spending that much money for the speakers? No. Should I use these speakers on the backside on my house? No, it's too much. I like how the stereo imaging. So when you're listening, coming from the stage sound. So here's the deal, guys. That amplifier is good. This is kind of video. Can you get good sound quality at the budget? Absolutely yes. I'm out. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me play some music. This music is called Hurricane.
You were on fire when I met you, born with a longing for the open road.
Listen to the sound details.
Hunger burning in your heart.
That's a guy standing next to you.
Enough to tear the world apart. You were like flaws on the west coast, leaving our footprints in the wet sand.
It's happened sometimes. I'm sitting in my office and I'm just listening to music. Well, that's it. I'm not thinking anything. I'm just listening to music. Alright, I'm out. Watch you in the next video. Watch my other videos.
One day with our troubles far behind us,